The Daily Code Snippet. In addition to borders, we can also add an outline to our elements. Although borders and outlines are similar, they differ in the following ways. Outlines never take up space. Outlines are not part of the dimensions, so an outline's width is not added to an element's width and height. Outlines are drawn outside an element's content. Outlines don't have to be rectangular, but they usually are. An outline is a line that is drawn around an element situated outside the border, whose purpose is to make the element stand out. Just like the border property, the outline property has a shorthand. Outline, outline width, outline style, and outline color. Outline style is required. Outline, 2 pixels dotted red. Since outline color can be omitted, if not specified, the color will be the color of the text. This states that the outline should be 2 pixels dotted and red. Let's see this in action. We will demonstrate the outline on the navigation of our demo page. We will add an outline to one of our buttons to make it stand out more when you hover. Here is the HTML. Here is the CSS. This shows the navigation. This shows the navigation when we hover on an element. As you can see, the outline sits just outside the border of an element. It is poor practice to assign a value of 0 or none to an outline. This is because it removes the focus style that is set to a browser by default. This is a problem for accessibility. Outlines are used to indicate to a user what element has their focus when navigating the web with a keyboard. So if you remove an outline, then a user will have no visible indicator what element is being focused on. So if you are designing a page and you dislike the default outline style for a browser, the solution is not to remove the outline. The solution is to restyle the outline. This way, it is still available to someone navigating the web using their keyboard. Presented by Designers Learn Code.